Hey everybody, here's just another garden update. Well, the wood chip man has delivered wood chips to me. Seems like I can't get enough of these things. And it's a real good load too. They just changed the blade, he told me. So there's not a lot of big pieces, and if you notice, that has got leaves, that's got nice chip size. It's almost like the perfect thing. That's going to compost down really, really well. And now that it's August, we'll have some heat and all that to break it down. So the only trouble is, it's a lot of wood chips to haul back and forth. So that's kind of the fun thing to do, right? But it's a cloudy day. We're probably going to get some rain, so that's going to mat down a little bit too if we get the rain. Haven't had rain for weeks, it seems, and now that I got my wood chips and I can go outside and play, it's going to rain. So yeah, this is great. This is going to allow me to cover up some areas to reinforce the wood chips that I got, and probably cover some new areas that I want to do for some raised beds. Even planning for next year. You're always planning ahead. So look at that, folks. That is some wood chips that is just really great. Like, we got some, all of a sudden we're really getting some good luck here with folks who are giving us some quality wood chips. And you think about this, you can't buy this in the store. There's nothing that's live and this organic and whatnot. Really, really good stuff. So yeah, excited here about the wood chips, and give me some work to do. It's time to work in the garden. Chop chop. All right, talk to you all later. Bye bye.